How do we fulfill our client commitments even when we have very limited access? One of our clients, a bank, needed to communicate their acquisition by another bank to their customers. We needed to publish a notification across their post-login portal. The catch was we had very limited access as their post-login portal was managed by another vendor. I am Monica and I am the manager web development at Zerego.
Zerego had helped us publish a notification across all our pre-login pages. So we wanted them to do it across our post-login portal as well. I am John. I head compliance at a leading bank.
I am Alex and I am the portal manager. We knew that Zerego had limited access to our post-login portal, but time was really short and pressure was mounting.
We knew that the best ideas come when under pressure, and so it proved this time around as well.
Zerego proposed a quick and easy workaround.
We implemented a simple JavaScript redirection to an intermediary page that served as a gatekeeper between the pre-login portal and the post-login pages. After the customer is shown this intermediary page, they will then be redirected to the post-login portal after 10 seconds.
This time freeze was added to make sure that the customers would read the notification regarding the acquisition.
The splash page was a simple solution to a complex and pressing challenge.
We were happy that we were able to help our banking client fulfill the compliance mandates and ensure that their customers were informed about the acquisition. If you need help ensuring smooth communication of regulatory updates to your customers, please let us know. There could be a quick workaround for you too.